hard? Good. You probably hit me the first one, but I didn't say it. So. That's good. Good. How's that? Ow! Yeah, my short sword's stick to my elbow, so let's do that long spear. Alright, let's do that with spear. It's a whole different. With a sword, you barely have to tap them, it's good. For the face, anyways. Body's obviously different, but there's a whole lot of leverage there. See, that's something I got.